Melts away. It's so natural and safe to do, but it is really powerful.
I feel incredible. I'm losing pounds of fat like clockwork and eating what I want too, like apple pies, hamburgers, pizza, ice cream. I'm not even working out.
I've lost 30 pounds already. It's skyrocketed my energy and my confidence. This exploit is easy to follow. It's amazing to finally see the results and enjoy a healthier, happier me.
You see, they want you to believe that your belly fat is your fault, but it's not your fault. In the following band presentation, you'll be shocked when you discover the mysterious real root cause of your slow metabolism and aging body. Nope, it's not your genetics, your hormones, toxins, your sleep, your gut, or anything else they made you believe. But what Harvard scientists are calling tiny slimming furnaces, the new studies prove are abundant in the cells of 98.7% of slim people who eat pizza and burgers and ice cream all day and still look great in a bathing suit, but almost gone in the cells of you and those overweight, especially if you're over 35 years old. And the exact reason, if you eat like a rabbit and work out for hours, you'll never lose a single pound. You'll be astonished once you discover the weird 6-second purple peel exploit, a centuries-old secret kept hidden by some of the healthiest people on earth, that within minutes doubles these strange slimming furnaces. Then watch along as we revisit our friends from earlier, and you'll see their breathtaking transformations using this exploit. And of course, I'll share all the studies from top universities that back up everything you're about to see. And just as this exotic exploit has worked for them, how will you feel when it works for you? Imagine no more worries about people laughing and joking behind your back because of your size. No more stress or depression over what your husband or wife really thinks about your naked body, but is too scared to tell you. No more anxiety about sudden heart attacks, strokes, or diabetes. Instead, you'll be eating what you want with no guilt or shame. You'll be active again, traveling, gardening, playing with your kids and grandkids. Joints will be smooth, hair thick and strong, skin glowing and refreshed. And because this natural hack targets the biological root cause of your stubborn, jiggly fat, once the fat is gone, it's gone forever. So no more worrying about jumping between skinny and baggy pants, losing and gaining the same 5 pounds over and over again, or how slim you'll be in 1 month or 1 year from now. Time is ticking. I don't know how much longer we have. That's because the $250 billion weight loss industry is furiously doing everything in their power to hide it from you, as their entire business relies on you getting fatter and fatter and sicker, staying as a customer for life. So listen very carefully, pay attention, and watch this video to the very end where they take it down. It's time to break free from the prison of belly fat once and for all. Are you ready? Hey, as I mentioned, I'm Andrew Lambert. I live with my beautiful wife, Jeannie, and our 4 kids out here in Hanover, Maryland. I'm an award-winning research scientist. You may have heard about some of my pioneering health research online or in the news, like my recent work on complex health biomarkers and etiology. But despite my successes, nothing was more baffling to me than my own wife, Jeannie's health. And this is going to sound familiar. Jeannie was 37 when our 4th child, Dawn, was born, and already 42 pounds overweight. Her skin was dry and frail. She had back pain and bloating. We tried everything for her, walking 10,000 steps a day, vegan, keto, fasting, then gluten-free, dairy-free, organic only, even weird lemon water drinks. We spent thousands on fat-burning teas. Fitness has enough time to work through your entire body to increase your mitochondria by up to 2 to 3 times, reach your desired weight, and lock it in for years into the future. Every 3-bottle package of Mitolyn comes with the 2 bonus books worth $109 absolutely free. Or make the smart decision and get the heavily discounted 6-bottle package, which comes with the 2 bonus books worth $109 absolutely free, along with free shipping as well. And don't forget, you'll instantly get significantly deeper discounts on larger packages. It's up to $888 off the suggested retail price. Remember though, stock is running out fast, and that's more reason than ever to pick up 3 to 6-bottle packages before the price goes up or we sell out completely and you miss your chance. Question 7, what's the best way to take Mitolyn? You take 1 capsule of Mitolyn with a big glass of water every day. Its bespoke, proprietary blend of natural ingredients will get to work effortlessly, dissolving fat and boosting energy for you, even when you're sleeping. Question 8, is this a one-time payment? Yes, your order today is a one-time payment with no auto ship, automatic subscriptions, or hidden charges. 9, how quickly will my Mitolyn arrive? If you're in the U.S., you can expect the package in 7 to 10 business days. If you're outside the U.S., it'll be a little longer depending on your local carriers. Finally, question number 10, what do I do now? Well, this is the fun part. Click on one of the packages below. Enter your order details on our secure checkout page. After you finish, we'll get your Mitolyn shipped to you straight away. Order 3 bottles and get the 2 free bonus books, or order 6 bottles and get the 2 free bonus books, plus free shipping as well. Remember, your order is covered by our 90-day, 100% money-back guarantee, so there's no risk to you at all. Stock is running out fast and prices could go up at any moment. Remember, this special one-time customer offer is only available while this video window is open or until supplies run out. So just go ahead and click the button below, complete your checkout, and I'll be talking to you soon.